Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create e-commerce website in Godaddy. So creating an e-commerce website on Godaddy is a great way to start selling online. And in this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to get started. So watch the video to the very end so that you won't miss any part. So sign up for Godaddy. If you don't already have an account, sign up on the Godaddy website. Then after that, select the plan that suits your need. Then Godaddy offer various plans, including options specifically for e-commerce. Then after that, choose a domain name for your website. You can search for available domain names directly on Godaddy. And also, Godaddy also provide a varieties of templates that you can customize to fit your brand. Choose the one that suits your e-commerce need. And after that, use the Godaddy website builder to customize your site. Add your logo, change your color, and adjust the layout to match your brand. And after that, go to the product section and start adding your product, including details, description, price, and high quality image. Once that is done, connect your payment gateway such as PayPal, Cash App, or Stripe to accept payment from your customers. And after that, set up your shipping option, including rate and delivery method. Then also ensure your website is optimized for search engines by using relevant keywords such as meta tag and alt text for image. And after that, you can also publish it and start promoting your product online. And that's it. That's how you can simply create an e-commerce website in Godaddy. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button, and for more content like this. Thank you.